Hello guys, welcome to my channel SKHUD series. In today's session we will see the class variable in Java with a live demonstration and with a live program execution. So that class variable is also called as static variable because that class variable is declared using static keyword. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go to this website www.youtube.com/c/SKHUD Here you directly go this site. In front of you my channel is open. If you haven't subscribed till, then click on subscribe button and press bell icon. Then for accessing Java playlist, you have to go playlist and go to Java for Beginners playlist. When you go to this playlist, here you can see the videos related Java playlist from beginning, which is created the basic concept with live demonstration. Now we will create this video for class variable. So first, class variable. What is class variable? The class variables are created when run the program, and the class variable is declared with static keyword. Without static keyword, which variable is declared, that variable is instance variable. Class variables have only one copy for one class, and that copy is created at the time of running a program. When class is loaded in memory, then the class variable is created. How we can access that class variable? We can access that class variable using class name dot that variable name, or we can access that class variable object of that class dot variable name. It means we can access that class variable using class name or class of object of that class. So let's see, we will take one example, class employee. Then in that class, first we have to save that program. I will save this program. Name of that program is demo class e.java. Now we will write a program and understand the concept of class variable using that program. First, we will declare here int eid. This is a instance variable, and that instance variable default value is 0. Static variable default value also 0, but local variable haven't any default value. So after declaring an initialization this instance variable eid, we will declare one more instance variable, that is ename. And now here I will declare a class variable using static keyword, static string cname. Now here I will take one constructor, that is a public employee. Then I haven't covered this constructor point in previous video. I will cover in next video. So this is a constructor with two parameters, that is int id eid and string ename. So after that we will call this dot eid equals to eid. This dot eid means this instance eid variable, and this eid means this parameterized arguments eid variable which is passed to constructor employee. And after that we will take one more method for printing the value of eid and ename. The message method name is display. Here I forgot to take ename equals to ename. This dot ename equals to ename, and in that display method I will take here the system.out.println method for printing the value of emp id. emp id equals to plus concatenate operator eid. Then for ename and cname we have to print emp name and here cname. cname equals to cname and here ename equals to ename. equals to ename print करना है ename. Yes. And for executing this class we have to take main class, that is demo class e. Then in that class we have to take main method public static void main and parameter string args. In that main method we have to create the object of first employee, that is employee e equals to new employee. Then here I have to pass the value, that is a 10 for eid and in double quotation the hello for ename. And after that we have to call the display method. When I call display method, here the display method is called and eid value is 10, hello value is ename value is hello. Then what is print the value of cname? Here I haven't called the cname variable. What's happened we will see. First we have to save the program and after that we will open command prompt and we have to go D drive, then Java folder, now we will first compile this program and after compilation successfully we have to run this program. First we will see this program is compiled or not. Demo classes.java. After compilation the program is compiled successfully, and when we run this program, what is output we will see here. Here the output is emp id equals to 10, emp name equals to hello, and cname equals to null, because the static variable have the default value is null, and we can say also the class variable default value is null. Here I haven't called the static variable value, or I'm not assigning here the class variable value using class name dot variable name, that is cname, and the value. Now we will assign the value to the class variable. The class variable name is cname. Before that, we can access the class variable value or static variable value using class name or object of that class. Here in this statement, I have create a object of that class ename. Before that, I will assign the value of that class variable cname. How we can assign the value to the class variable, or how we can access the class variable or static variable using class name or using object name. Here I am access the class name. I am accessing the class name dot cname equals to, then in double quotation, because the type of that variable is string, and in that double quotation I will print message sk hurt series. Now we will save this program and again compile and again run. When we compile this program is compiled successfully, and after compilation is successfully, we will run this program. When you run this program, you can see the emp id here. This is output is not proper. I will take the each and every output in next line using the println method. Then save again and run again. First compile, then run. Here you can see emp id equals to 10, emp name equals to hello, which value is passed here to the object, and this is a constructor, and this is a constructor with two parameters, and that constructor I have passed the two values 10 and hello, and the value of cname, that is a static variable or class variable, you can say. The cname value is skHeart series. It means by using class name we can access the class variable here. Now here, before display method, or we can say here I will create a new object, or I will using object name I will assign the second value to the cname, that is e is a object dot cname equals to, this is a new assign value. Then I will call the display method e dot display. I will save this program and run it again. First we have to compile it, and then we have to run it. When we run this program, value of I have passed the display method is two times, that's why the emp id name, emp name and cname, these three values print two times. This is first display method, this is second display method. In first display method you can see the value of emp id 10, the value of emp name hello, the value of cname skHeart series, that is it is called using the class name, and here is called that static variable or class variable using object. The e dot dis cname equals to new assign value. This message is I have given here, and here you can see cname equals to new assign value. It means the class variables create one copy for one class, and the class variable or static variable called using the class name or the object of that class. I hope you have to understood this class variable concept successfully or without any error. If you want to copy this program or write, you can write. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Share those people who are related or who want to learn Java programming language or any operating system related concept techniques. Then share this channel to those members and help us to make more video like this. Thank you for watching this video.